In them
Feeding
part.
them was so precious.
I'd say my favourite part was the swimming and seeing how happy they are. They're obviously very well looked after. Should absolutely book this tour.
An elephant sanctuary, particularly an ethical one as well. It was something I really wanted to do, and seeing how they care for the elephants, it's amazing. They give such care to the elephants and they're treated so well.
And I'm glad that I actually had it with this company because it felt so good. It was
natural.
Like, it was, yeah. We were walking alongside the elephant, and in the very beginning it was kind of intimidating because they're just so massive. But with our guides along with us and they're walking with them, I was literally walking right next to these ginormous elephants, and it just feels so good to be able to do that.
So good. My favorite part was bathing with the elephants.
Oh, all of it, everything, even the tour guide, hot, excellent, everything.
We went on a really nice hike through the forest. We got to see them in a more natural habitat, which was really cool this afternoon.
And we helped to feed them, prepare their food, gone for a walk with them, and nothing's forced on them. It's just nice and laid back. So I 100% recommend to anyone.
Make food for the elephants, play with them, bathe them, see them in their natural habitats in a sanctuary where they've been rescued from not so great conditions. Now they're living their best life.